Hello everyone, welcome to Kannada Academy, and today we'll be working on a free headline analyzer tool. So let's head on to Google search, and for this we'll be working on a tool called CoSchedule. Okay, so this is CoSchedule, organize your marketing number one place. We click onto this one. And this is the interface. And to start off, you have to sign up for a free account. And we have to just, enter the name, details, your email address, your company's name, any URL, and a specific password, and click on with the Get Started Now button. Simple. After you log in and set up your account, you'll be heading on to interface, which is a Headline Studio. You'll be logged into your account out here, and this is the first initial interface that you'll be getting. 3 slider options, and here you have to first mention the niche on which you have to be creating the specific headline. So perhaps today I'll be taking a topic on something like weight loss. Weight loss, we'll be working on these two scores, but for headline, it is like headline score. This you have to be checking on, and for a very good headline, you should at least touch up greater than 80 plus is a healthy score for to start off with. So currently with weight loss, we are having a headline score of 28 and a SEO score of 37. So we have to be working on this entire thing, right? You have a few suggestions which you will be finding it out, increasing your power words, emotional words, uncommon words. So as we add on these wordings out here with this specific headline, we'll be understanding how to make this thing live. So we'll start off with something like weight loss in 7 days. Let's figure out the score. Weight loss, we were at something like 28. Let's find it out. We have a support of word bank out here connected with a thesaurus. So seeing all the differential words that are there. So we have scaled up to 47. So we were at like 23 with weight, and then after I keyed in weight loss, we headed on to something like 28. And when I keep up with like weight loss in 7 days, I'm getting a SEO score 43 and a headline score of 47. Right? So we have to be increasing our power words. Now, what are power words? You just click onto this option and we'll be finding it out. This, the list you'll be finding out here: hacked, hailed, hamper. Right. So these are specific power words which we can implement out here according to our requirement out here. Here in our niche, we have to be implementing these words accordingly. Right. So let's find it out and do a little bit of tweaks. So just let us add on a evergreen word like how to. how to weight loss. It will be 7 days. Reanalyze and find it out. Until and unless we get a healthy SEO score, you know, it never works out, because we are in a competitive field, and a very good headline will always help us. Okay, so we have power words, emotional words, uncommon words. So once this analytics gives us the results, we'll be able to figure it out. Okay, so we have a word balance part where we have weight as a noun and loss as a noun also. But again, it's just a emotional word which is there. So this will always help us to gain good amount of score. Fine. In the common words section, we have common words has to be consistently like 20 to 30% of our headline has to comprise of common words. So again, once we use these, it will be like helpful for us to understand, right? We are having like emotional words, power words. Every word which we add on, it will be like giving me additional scores. So we have power words like this one. We have emotional words. Once we click on, we'll be finding it out. Yeah. So absolutely, admiration, admirer, all these are power words. Sorry, emotional words which are there. So once we use these, it will be helpful for us to understand. We have word count, we have character count, which also helps us to understand. We have a reading grade level out here. Your healthy, sorry, your headline reads at something like a below 7 standard level, so making it easy for most readers to comprehend. So we have to keep our content very easy. Yeah, fine. Okay, so we have got a headline score of 51 and SEO score of 45. So it has like, got over from something like 47, which we were having previously. We have scaled up to 51. So let us try out something like additional common words and power words, so that we'll find out uh, something better. So let us add on. So we can have top 10 tips on how to lose weight in 7 days. And as a best practice, we can also just like updated 2021, which will be making it specific, and our scores. Just let us analyze again, or we'll add on something else. Let's find it out whether this is working for us or not. Top 10 tips. Okay, So we have shot up to 84, something like top 10 tips, and my SEO score has also increased to 80. Okay, so this is the thing that we really wanted. So we have a top word, which is good. We have used common words, we have used uncommon words, we have emotional content, which is there, as well as power words. So we have a word count of 13. So headlines with around 12 words make us like do our job. We have a character count of 58. If we can touch up with 70, this will be helping us. So let us find it out whether we can do a little bit more on this one. So top 10 tips on how to, or rather we can use a different. Let us check on whether this gives us better numbers or not. We have got one increment of 86 and we have a SEO score of 86. So this is the best one for us. So I hope you found out this tutorial helpful, and we'll be catching up with you in our next video.